This tutorial will cover the creation of your own formulas using the Total Element in Cost Calculator plugin. The total element contains the following attributes: total description of the total calculation, calculator formula area for creating your own formula, available operators. The field contains mathematical operators and functions that can be used in the formula. Available fields. This field contains all elements of the created calculator from their ordered IDs. Create a formula using available operators and available fields. To add an element or operator, just click on it. When everything's save settings and check the result. Let's have a look at the loan calculator. It was built using a quantity, 2 range buttons, and total elements. Also, you can add any conditional JavaScript code to the calculator formula field. When creating a conditional formula, make sure the code is in the JavaScript syntax, that is always on a single line, and the structure of the open and close brackets is correct. It is necessary to correctly write the condition after the if statement, which is enclosed in parentheses, and the action that will be indicated in braces. You can also use all the operators available in the cost calculator builder. Let's create an if-else statement so that the total sum of a loan calculator should be higher than or equal to 500. So according to the formula, the loan amount will be always higher than or equal to 500. In case you have any questions, please feel free to check the cost calculator knowledge base at support.stylemixthemes.com.